Nuryusliani. I'm going to bring you a latest news today. Indonesia's National Agency of Food and Drug Control (BPOM) has approved China's Sinovac vaccine for emergency use in children aged 6 to 11. It is related to the official plans to expand the state's child COVID-19 vaccination program by early next year to target children as young as 5, as part of wider efforts to anticipate possible third wave of infection of COVID-19. The issuance of permits for COVID-19 vaccine for children is an urgent matter as schools are starting to implement limited face-to-face learning. It was the result of the government process of waiting for the conclusion of clinical trials overseen by the BPOM on 3 vaccines intended for use on younger children: the Chinese-made Sinovac and Sinopharm vaccine, and the United States Pfizer vaccine, said the Health Minister Budi Gunadi Sadikin.
So we recognize there may be questions about how the FDA came to its decision that this vaccine is safe for use in children. And because of this, I'd like to address some of the specifics of the safety and effectiveness data to be as transparent as possible for parents and caregivers. The effectiveness data to support this authorization in children down to 5 years of age is based on an ongoing randomized placebo-controlled study being conducted in the United States, Finland, Poland, and Spain. The FDA analyzed data that compared the immune response of 264 participants 5 through 11 years of age who received the lower dose in this study to 253 participants, individuals 16 through 25 years of age, from a previous study who had received the higher dose vaccine. The immune responses of the younger age participants were comparable to the older participants.
The emergency use authorization has been approved by the Food and Drug Monitoring Agency (BPOM), co-produced by China's Sinovac Biotech and state-owned pharmaceutical giant Biopharma for the coronavirus COVID-19 vaccine for children between 6 and 11 years old. It is important to be done as soon as possible since the latest data on 27 October 2021, the government of Republic of Indonesia has reported 4,241,809 persons with confirmed COVID-19. There have been 143,299 deaths related to the COVID-19 reported. Based on the report from Dr. Aman, who is the Executive Director of International Pediatric Association, children now confirmed make up 12.5% of the country's confirmed cases. It is a big number, especially the data from Indonesia, children infected by COVID-19. Hundreds of Indonesian children have died from coronavirus, and many of them under age 5. The mortality rate was the highest than that any other country. WHO is working with Indonesian government to monitor the situation and prevent further spread of disease. Speaking at online meeting on November 1st, head of the agency, Penny Lukito, said the authorization is based on the result of clinical trials showing that Sinovac is safe for children aged 6 until 11. The result also show that the immunogenicity or ability of vaccine to trigger the body's immune response is greater in children's adult. It is 96.15% in children compared to 89.04% in adults. Penny said Sinovac was the first vaccine registered with BPOM for use among children in the 6 until 11 age group, she noticed. The official hope that in the future there will be more vaccines registered for children.
Terbitkannya izin penggunaan vaksin COVID-19 dari vaksin Sinovac, CoronaVac, dan vaksin COVID-19 dari Bio Farma untuk anak usia 6 sampai dengan 11 tahun. Jadi ini menyusul pada izin penggunaan sebelumnya, yaitu 12 sampai 17 tahun. Jadi sekarang penggunaan dari vaksin Sinovac bisa digunakan untuk vaksinasi anak untuk usia 6 sampai dengan 17 tahun.